Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we are introducing for the first time on the channel this beautiful Sepang blue Audi S4 B8.5. I know you guys are familiar with the B8.5. I know you guys love the B8.5 content, so excuse all the noise we got, but that's what's making this video possible. Today, we are doing the downpipes install. Not just any downpipes. These are the AWE B8.5 S4 downpipe system. So we have already unboxed everything here. Show you guys, we have the lollipop that everything comes with. We have the instructions, which they make it so easy. All you do is scan this QR code. It pops up with everything you need as far as like installation and downpipes. I always like to do this on the video. Rory, 1 through 5 difficulty level. What do we say?
These aren't bad. The B9 is more fun. I'd give these like a 3 or 4 out of 10. 2.5 out of 5. What's your score?
I don't know. It's same percentage, right? Quick math.
The top bolts on each of these are kind of hard to get to, and you have to have a flex head ratchet. That's the only tough part.
Cool. Sounds easy enough. A lift also helps. So that's one of the things that we're lucky to have here at M22 Detailing. They're helping us out with quite a few of the installs. We did the wheels and tires for my car. Last video, suspension. So a lot happening, and it's all happening right here. So if you guys are local to the Northern Michigan area, M22 Detailing is gonna help you out. The shop is clean today. The boys got it all cleaned up.
Taking off the undercover, it's 3 T25s, 2 in the back, 1 in the middle, and the rest is just clips.
We did the touring exhaust on my S5. We did the track exhaust on Evan's S5. So AWE is definitely coming clutch for like a majority of the fun installs and projects we have going on.
That was what I was supposed to check. Evan thinks it's a leak. No, I think it's a leak. Evan thinks somebody did something to this car. I bought this car unmolested at 30K miles from a middle-aged dude who was the second owner. Unlikely that anything was touched on this car. He said it was bone stock, and he did have a stage 2+ car. So I think we got a leak right here.
Okay.
So
Looks like some.
that'll be addressed. I'll get to it. I just need new clamps, which actually these might take care of that.
Yeah, true. It looks like there are clamps. So the piping goes all the way from here and then into right here, right?
Yeah.
So this is where it ends.
Clamps are rotted out, so I'm sure I've got a leak like right here or right here because it's pure black right here. So yeah, that's leaking. That's probably leaking. Now I'm gonna start taking downpipes off.
Wait, we can't take the downpipes off yet. Over 90% of people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. Sorry, that's it. Sorry. Right. I had to do it. I had to
cut the video here.
I had to tell them. I had to fit that in somewhere. I was looking at my analytics. I'm like, there's no way. And then, you know what? Some people come and go, but the people who stick around and stay and watch these videos, man, you guys are the ones that make it happen. So this one's for you.
You know, I did live in New York for a year.
Well.
It was a California car, though, to begin its life.
Back in 2015?
Yes, sir. It's a Panda car. The seats are black and white.
Yeah, you can see in there it's white, which is so cool. Such a rare spec on this car.
White and black.
White and black, so a two-tone crazy interior color.
Intending to buy a Nogara blue with the Nogara blue suede interior, but every single one I could find was a rebuilt type. So.
A little lighter than my car was with the Estral blue. I like this though, it's nice.
Estral's got that like, I don't know, it's got just something to it.
It's almost like a midnight purple,
yeah.
Which is just, it looks so cool, especially when it's dark and like
wherever it is.
Gas station lighting.
Yeah, it just stands out.
No, that's fine, we got new hardware, right?
Yeah.
We're good.
That was actually a good way for that to go.
This is the new hardware we got. Gaskets, clamps, piping. If you guys want this exact exhaust or really any of the AWE systems, links will be in the description below. They are not affiliate links. I do not get paid for promoting their stuff. It's just good stuff. And that's why we keep seeing them on the channel and seeing us do these installs, because I personally like the way it sounds. Evan's car sounds crazy right now. The downpipes for the S4 and S5 are coming today because they're not here yet, right? The mods are going nuts. It's gonna be a very, very busy spring and early summer for Rory. Rory's the one doing all the installs. We love Rory. It's Rory Appreciation Month, actually. I like your hat. You look like that Key and Peele skit where they got the things out because your tag's all the way outside.
No way. Didn't break.
Money.
Could still break.
That's why a lot of people do the X pipe right in the middle. That's what I had before I had my full system.
It's just too racy for me.
It's raspy, so.
I am literally doing downpipes, and that is the last I'll touch my exhaust.
Yeah, I can't wait to hear this.
Until my cats blow at 70K. If you don't got one of these, go get one. They're a lifesaver.
And what is this?
This is a reversible ratcheting wrench.
More B8.5 parts.
Yep.
I think Rory wants to take a break from the springs.
It's a nice blue spring.
At least like 3 or 4 days. There we go. We can just run it like that.
We could.
Wait, can we do a cold, not a cold start, can we do a, why? Why? We can't start it just off the headers?
No.
Oh yeah.
No.
Well,
Well, we're out, so time to go back in, which will hopefully take 10 minutes.
all right, fun part now.
Well, that's not
The content gremlin.
it. Content gremlin.
These guys end up like crouching around like this. I'm doing the same exact thing. This is my contribution to the project today.
I like it. I'll take it. It's the little things, Kevin. It's the little things.
Yeah, gotta start somewhere. I think my wrenching.
In life. But, okay.
Sure. Is that it?
Is
Tight?
Tight, yes. Very tight.
Cool. Getting her dialed. So you have to use the OEM couplers here.
Yeah. Oh my God, that's loud.
Yes, it is. It's insanely loud.
Start it up and then just redline it. Get it nice and warm.
That was the plan.
All right, we just about finished here. We gotta tighten these up and then we're done, right? Yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. All right, she's on the ground. Dude, when you're flat out in this car, it's gonna be screaming.
Do another one.
Oh, this car boogies. Jeez.
A little louder than I wanted it to be.
Dude, it sounds. Hold on, let's do a normal drive.
The DSG is just nuts.
Dude, it sounds phenomenal.
Turn it on comfort mode, maybe. Just to,
Drive.
yeah. It's stock. Like, can't hear it.
Oh.
That's what he was going for. That's good.
Yeah. Sounds like we didn't do anything. I would wait for this. It's perfect.
Sounds good.
It's perfect.
What an absolute install. Rory, huge thank you to AWE. Their stuff rocks. If you guys are new to the channel, we're building all these cars at once, which is insane. S4, a little homage to the B8.5 content that we used to have a lot of on the channel. If you guys want to see more of the B8.5, let me know. Let us know in the comments. It's just so fun doing this kind of stuff. And man, I love the B8 and B8.5. It's just such an awesome platform. If you guys are new, hit subscribe, like the video for the algorithm. It does truly help. Until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see ya.